Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change a video background in Filmora. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, now the first thing to do is just open your Filmora and start your project. You can simply either open your existing project where you are working on, or you can simply create a new one. Now you will be needing just to import like the video that you want to change its own background. So you can simply go to the media, import media, and then add the video that you want to change its own background. Now for each video, we'll have like a property panel or setting panel or editing panel. So from here, you can find it here or it can be in the middle, depends really on the layout of your Filmora. Now you will go to the video. Here we go to the AI tools and we will need to search for the smart cutout. So here in the smart cutout, we are going to enable it. I'm just going to click to start smart cutout, and here you will need just to add this one, and I'm just going to choose this subject, which is this female. This is the subject that you want to keep, and here those are the things that you want to remove. So you will need just to start like doing that for all everything until you got like a better shape, etc. So I'm just going to do that just for an example, and I'm going to save. Now we have removed the background. So make sure like to make clean work so you can have all the edges and everything removed. Now all we will be needing to do is to add our uh, background. So simply you can go to any background and you will be adding it. So here I'm just going to add this one on top of the video, and basically we should do the inverse, and from here you will have the background that will be added, and basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.